いですかね。じゃあこっちを映してます。はい。もうちょっと前に。
結構ドアップになってますけど、いいです。
YouTube ファンの皆様、こんばんは。今日は首里何？
首里天楼ですね。
天楼？
はい。
ちょっと映してもらいます。ゆっくり回してください。首里天楼。はい、マイクに来ております。これから19時スタートですかね。玉城流民風会の方が5演目ぐらい踊るということで、沖縄料理を楽しみながら琉球舞踊を見るということを取材したいと思います。まず沖縄琉球舞踊を見るのは800円で、あとはもう食べ物と食べ物ということで、これから上に上がっていきたいと思います。取材協力ありがとうございます。これから、琉球舞踊が間もなく始まります。日本全国の観光客の皆さん、どうかお越しください。はい、じゃあ行きましょうかね。英語でやります。ですかね。OK。もっと1メートルぐらい、この辺がいいですよ。どんどん回して。Thank you very much for all over the YouTube fan. We have a very amazing visitors from foreign countries. I have few questions, 3 minutes questions. First question, your name and where you from, please?
I'm from Hong Kong.
Your name?
Li Zicheng.
谢谢。
Hugh Yi.
You're from Hong Kong?
Yes.
How long do you stay here in Okinawa?
5 days.
5 days. Is it cold for you here?
No.
A little bit cold?
No, a little bit.
もうちょっと。Okay. What is the purpose for visiting Okinawa?
We just want to do some sightseeing and shopping and especially the tea.
Okay. Do you like Okinawan dancing?
We haven't seen it before, so we are going to see.
I'm a tour guide at Shuri Castle tomorrow also from no charge. First stage is 11 o'clock. Second stage is 2 o'clock, and last one 4 o'clock. If you welcome, you are welcome.
We went to Shuri's castle yesterday.
So did you see the performance?
Yeah, no.
So if you come to Shuri Castle, you can see. So what is your impression of Okinawa? Is this your first visit to Okinawa?
Yeah.
First time. What is the impression of Okinawa?
Comfortable, fresh air. And people are very nice.
I see.
They're very polite to us.
Delicious food.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my last question for you. Please invite many people from Hong Kong in your own words. Look at the camera for 30 seconds from here.
Okay.
Okay.
沖繩有好多嘢食，係咪？可以shopping。
Okay. Save money, come to Okinawa. Hi. Good.
沖繩嘅紅薯，嗰個番薯好好味，一定要嚟食。
Okay. Thank you very much from Kokusai Street all over the YouTube fan. We have a very amazing visitors from Hong Kong. Beautiful two ladies. Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, I'm going to deliver this film. Thank you very much indeed. Raise your hand, please. Bye bye. From Kokusai Street. Bye bye.